In this video, we like to show you how web-based scanning with a Ricoh ScanSnap scanner can work. For this sample, I don't have a Ricoh scanner, I connected a Fujitsu, the IX500, but what we will show in this video that will work in all different things. And if you like, I can show you at the end of the movie also the source code, how we have implemented it. To use this scanning, we use the JSPrintManager 6 from Neo Dynamics, and we have the latest version 6. We are here in the internet. A web-based application means that it will be scanned from the internet. That means always the code is up to date. You need no regular local installations after an initial setup. To use the Fujitsu IX500, we use the train driver SnapTwain. So different train drivers can be selected, and the component JSPrintManager, which we are using here, is available in 32-bit and in 64-bit as well. But it doesn't matter, as SnapTwain from GSE is also available as 32 and 64-bit train driver. In the first test, we want to scan simplex. That means one side of the document will be scanned. And for scanning of SnapTwain, the ScanSnap Home software needs to be installed, which comes with the scanner. That is the low-level communication interface, and SnapTwain is then the communication to the train layer. On this page, the predefined settings are 200 dpi, color mode, and the image will be created in JPEG. That is fine, and I click on Scan Now. You see here the JSPrintManager pop-up screen from Neo Dynamics, and this is shown because we are using an evaluation version, which is free of charge. If you are going to license this product, of course, this dialog does not pop up, and you don't need to click on Start Scanning as we do here. In the moment when we do this, we will see in the upper left corner a window of SnapTwain, which shows the progress, and in the lower right corner, the window of ScanSnap Home, where we also can recognize how many pages and images will be scanned now. So it is just one sheet with one side, and that is shown here in this moment. Now I like to show you how duplex scanning works, because some of the web-based application may not support duplex scanning, but we want to confirm to you in this video that with JSPrintManager 6, the latest version of course, and SnapTwain, also duplex scanning is working. Therefore, I insert the sheet again in the scanner, and it will be again one sheet, but page 1 and page 2 should be displayed. It will run quite quickly. If I again confirm it here, you will see for half a second page 1, and then already page 2 is displayed. Let's start it now. Here's 1, and there's already 2. So of course, this shows duplex scanning is working. And let me go to another feature, which is of course possible. You can also activate the train driver's dialog. If you click on Show Train Driver Interface, again, Scan Now, and after confirming it, the user interface of SnapTwain comes up. SnapTwain comes typical in the language of your operating system, so here in English, but of course you can also choose a different language. The settings which are given in the web-based application are taken here as pre-settings in the dialog, but I can override it. And let's do 300 dpi. We go for 600. And we want to also make a deskew of the product just in case the page is not completely right, inverted and transported. Now I go to Scan Now, and I'm using SnapTwain version 1.80 here. And then it reads the 2 pages, 1 sheet, 2 sides. Scanning with 600 dpi takes a little bit longer until the IX500 has shown this. First page, and now the second page. So that is pretty easy. And we can go to View Page Source. And just to show you how easy it is to use this component. So basically there is some HTML programming for the page, but the most important part is here, that we select a scanner model by name. We set the pixel mode, that means monochrome, grayscale, or true color. We set the resolution in DPI. We set the output format. The component supports JPEG, PNG, and PDF as well. We can set duplex or simplex scanning, and if we want to show the user interface. Of course, Neodynamic JSPrintManager has even more options, but that is all what we are going to use in this small demo. So if that was interesting for you, please give us a like, and don't forget to subscribe this channel, as we will come up with another interesting videos of document imaging in the future. Thank you very much.